Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here to show you 2020 230 Super Air from Nautique. Standing here in the bow. Got some nice bow seats here. Does come to that traditional point. The 230 is a great wake surf, wakeboarding boat. Lots of different space, 15-person boat. Everything's on hinges with a Nautique. This particular cushion here does come out and has sea deck underneath it, so you can walk from there on the sea deck through the walk-through and all the way back to the platform. This does have the ZR4, so it's a 400 horsepower engine from PCM. Got the nice board racks up top. We've got the 7.7s up on the tower, JL audio, which is what we have all through this boat. And then this one is equipped with the reverse cam as well. Come to MarineMax, give us a call if you want to get a closer look at this boat or any other Nautiques that we have in stock. As always, click the like button and click to subscribe.